Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash app account is on hold. So if you're encountering this issue on your Gcash, then it's worth heading to help.gcash.com or Gcash Help Center to get this problem sorted out. So just hop on any browser of your preference and then type this in your URL. So in here, you should be able to contact Gcash directly with the help of Contact Us, or if you have the GG chatbot right here, which should appear normally, but since it's not available, you can just select Contact Us, and this should pop up on the bottom right corner, and this will allow us to chat with GG. So here we're just gonna let GG finish with the response, and then we're gonna type in submit a ticket. All right. So GG will guide us through the process of submitting a ticket. So here, just click on submit a ticket, and then it should open a new window right here. I'm just going to go ahead and enlarge this so that you can see better. And you're going to need to fill in some details right here so that you can describe your issue better. All right, so just fill in your email address, your Gcash registered full name, and then your mobile number or the country code of your mobile number, followed by your actual mobile number, then the concern or the category concern, right? And then you can describe your issue even further here. So just share what happened in full detail. And if you have any important screenshots that you can provide, you can add them on this section. Now, after you've filled the necessary details, you can go ahead and submit this ticket. It says here your information will be processed in accordance with the Gcash TNCs and privacy notice. So after submitting your ticket, just wait until Gcash replies in your email. It should take them around 2 to 3 business days or so. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.